YouTube friends and fans. I'll show you my new find for free. Stay tuned. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So, the guy I got this from is all local. He gave me the tank as well. So really I'm way ahead on this whole setup to start. As you can tell from the backside, it looks pretty good shape. Let's go around to the front and see what's going on. Now if anybody knows what that little hole there in the front's for, underneath the handle, please comment below, because I'm not sure. Assistant Mr. Ian will help me show this off. Pull that door open, buddy. Pull the other one. You can see this rusted out pretty good there, and I've got to replace or strengthen that, but that'll be fun. Got to do some cleaning. You can see the old green algae sat outside, which most squirrels do. And let me unhook the strap, and we'll take you inside this monster. Climb up on there and open that lid up. Push it on open. The fella, you walk around and push it. The fella I bought this from, actually I didn't buy it. I did buy the grates. He wanted $10. They're flavor bars, they're brand new. He was giving away the grill. So let's take a look what we got here inside. So it is a little dirty. Grates have a little bit of flake on them. I got a buddy of mine that does cast iron restore. So he's got a electrolysis set up. He puts them in a bath, and I'm going to send them to him, and we'll give it a whirl and see what this looks like when it comes back. So we'll repair this probably next weekend. Get a video out to you in about 2 weeks. So, okay, tell them what you got.
Do you think you'll remember me in 6 days?
Yeah, I'll remember you in 6 days.
In 6 seconds?
And I'll remember you in 6 seconds.
6 minutes?
Yep, and I'll remember you in 6 minutes.
6 days?
Oh, I'll definitely remember you in 6 days.
6 weeks?
6 weeks? Sure, I'd never forget you.
No, not.
Who's there?
You just forgot about me.
Oh, that's cheating! Oh, that's rotten. Alrighty, so we unloaded this off the trailer, and we're going to see if we can fire this up tonight just to see if it runs. Had the propane tank filled. I know the igniter doesn't work, so we're going to start there and see if we can, say it's a battery, and usually it's a contact issue. It's usually not anything really wrong with the system, so we'll see what happens here. And they say the igniter itself twists off or will pull. For YouTube. Hey. Yeah, it's got some, you can see that line there or not. It's got a big line. We got corrosion there, green. Other end looks alright. Let's see if this other battery will fly. Got nothing. That sort of stinks. Yep. Must be something else more wrong. Alright. Well, do have gas to it. Let me grab the starter. See if she lights up. And look how bad that's eating up. Turn the gas on. That's interesting. Let me take you in, guys. We have half a burner. Let me see here. That low works good. Oh, there it went across. Solid. Let's turn the back one on and see what happens. Got nothing. I don't think it's gonna light. I was hoping it would transfer through. Alright, so let me take out some more metal here and we'll see if we can get this to work better. Hold on. Alright, so we got me a box here to the side. Get the old grates out of the way. Get these tubes out of the way. Well, I now know I can light it, but I'm going to show you how dirty it is. I got some debris and stuff to vacuum out. So we'll get that all cleaned up here. All right, let's fire it up. Not sure if there's something in that center tube that's stopping it. So last time I turned it down, you can see. Now it takes off towards the end. Maybe there's just debris in it, I don't know. We'll turn the front one here towards us. That light's pretty good. Check the back one out. So yeah, it might be some water down in there. Not quite sure what we got going on. But looks like we should be able to clean this out and go from there. I'm pretty happy with it. Now I do know one thing. Let me turn some heat off or down. Let me turn it off. That'll help me out a lot. This guy right here, you can see the flame starting to run across. That's supposed to have air blowing through it or gas coming out of it all the way across. I know you can't see it on the video, but that's how that's supposed to work. So let's see if we can. Oh, lost my flame. I'm gonna get a wire brush. We'll see if that'll help anything or hurt it. See if we can get that flame to transfer over. Just ain't happening. Alrighty, so further inspection, I now see what's going on. Let me see if I can zoom in here and get you what's really up over here. You can see the tube. You can see right here the holes of that tube. They're letting the gas escape faster than necessary so it doesn't push it all the way across. So it is going to need a new tube there. But we'll replace that. Give you an update on this after we fix the tank holder. And the other issue I've got, I have to replace the igniter there, figure out what's going on with it, and the tank holder underneath. So we'll get to that in a future video. So not sure if we're gonna keep it yet or not. Those wheels are made for a relatively smooth surface. They don't like my rough garage / driveway area. It's uneven. I've got a 3/4 inch lip on the stuff, so everything has to kind of be picked up out there to get across the threshold into the garage. So, with that being said, maybe I might put bigger wheels on it that'll roll easier. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but so far I'm pretty happy with how it looks, how it runs. Just going to have to put that bar in and pressure wash it, and we'll be good to go. So, come back and see me in the future. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. He's getting up pretty good now.
Yeah, that was good. Good.
It does take some different thought.
Takes a lot of practice. You got to delay the right speed like that. You got up pretty quick. Yep, he is getting up quick. Okay. 87. 87. Okay. Yeah, you need to get that right towards the other leg.
Yeah, I know. Well, funny enough, it is in there.
Oh, you just grabbed the wrong one out. Yeah. It does make a difference that you put stuff on them that you can tell which ones are good.
Yeah.
This must be one of your guys'.
No, that's the he looks so adult-like in his movement already.
I'm impressed.
Yeah.
That's quick.
Good job.
Not bad for a first time having the pads on about 10 minutes. Here comes the baby girl. Let's see if she can beat him. Oh, a little wide.